Xiaomi has officially launched the new Redmi K100 Pro and K100 Pro Max in China. Comes in black, gold, blue, and red color options. The Redmi K100 Pro Max features a 200MP main camera with OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto camera, and a 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera. The Redmi K100 Pro series is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset alongside up to 16GB RAM. The series will be available in 6.59-inch and 6.9-inch display options, both featuring 185Hz flat panels with a super pixel solution that promises 1K level power consumption while delivering 2K light clarity, and a rumored 185Hz refresh rate. The phone packs a 9070 mAh battery with support for 100W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, 27W wired reverse charging, and 22.5W wireless reverse charging. The Redmi K100 Pro Max retails at 4,499 yuan for the 12/256GB model. The Redmi K100 Pro and Pro Max are expected to get rebranded as Poco F9 Pro and F9 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.